I'm here this morning at the Curtain Pole Road section of the Tennessee Riverpark in Chattanooga, and I stopped by here yesterday to do some scouting, and I saw a lifer for me, a Canada warbler. I'm hoping it's still here today. Maybe it will be, but I did hear as I was getting my gear out of the car, I heard a kingfisher, so let's see what we can find. I didn't see the Canada warbler, but I did see the kingfisher, and I believe I'm going to run back to the car and switch cameras. I want to get the Z6 and the big lens and a big teleconverter, and I should be able to get some video of that kingfisher on the back side of the pond, unless it decides to leave while I'm switching gear. One camera making video of this redtail, and the Canada warbler just came skipping by, so I'm going to try to get a picture of it with my other camera. There was a male belted kingfisher who used to hang around at this pond. This is Curtain Pole Road Pond, and we named it Kurt. This one's a female. There she goes. Rain's forecasted for today, and it has started. I had to retreat back to the car. The rain's coming down pretty good now. I'm so disappointed because I actually came here to Curtain Pole Road this morning to try to find that Canada warbler that I saw yesterday. You know, I pick up my daughter from school on Wednesday and I always stop by here and scout because I'm trying to find those doggone hooded mergansers that I haven't seen all winter. A lot of other people have, and I've just always missed them. So we stopped by here yesterday, and I was going to see if the hooded mergansers were here. They weren't, but I saw this little bird that I couldn't identify, and I had to look it up on Merlin, and it was a Canada warbler. And I was really excited because that's a lifer for me. And so I came here today with that in mind, and I did see it, but only for like 2 seconds. And I was working on a video with a camera probably too big for the Canada warbler. And I switched to my D500 and my 200 to 500, and it was gone. So it's still here somewhere, and I was really hoping to kind of stay here all day and see it, but this rain is not working for me. So I may go to a couple other places. I texted my girlfriend Heather, and she said back home it's not raining. So Booker T. Washington State Park is in that direction, and so is Harrison Bay State Park. So I may go try to do some photography or video there. But Curtain Pole Road, saw the Canada warbler, didn't get the shot. Today's video, the wildlife portion, was with the Nikon 500mm f4G, and I have the 2.0 teleconverter. That's the FTZ converter, so that lens will work on the Nikon Z6. And here it is in the passenger seat of my car, and you can see how much rain it got on it, and it wasn't really even raining that hard while I was out there. It started raining pretty good when I got back to the car. But anyway, that's what I used for the videos today. Well, it looks like this is going to be the end of this video. The rain has not stopped, and I ended up driving all the way back home. It's only 10:03 in the morning. I still haven't finished my morning coffee, but I think I'm done for the day. But I still had a great time, even though it was short. You know, you can't outrun a 100% chance of rain, I don't suppose. But I was happy to at least get out and play with my cameras and see some wildlife for a little while. And I would like to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. As always, I really appreciate it. And hope you have a really nice day. Bye-bye.